education honors. Psychology and education, meaning, relationship, and implications. 1. Meaning of psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of human behavior and mental processes. It helps us understand how people think, feel, learn, behave, and grow in different situations. In education, psychology helps teachers to understand students and improve teaching. 2. Meaning of education. Education means the process of teaching and learning to bring about all-round development of a child, physical, mental, emotional, social, and moral. It aims to help children become responsible and skilled citizens of society. 3. Relationship between psychology and education. Psychology. Education studies how students learn, think, behave to improve teaching. Uses that knowledge. Helps understand mental development content and methods. Plans age appropriate. Identifies learning difficulties, support weak students. Designs ways to. Studies motivation and emotions students engaged. 5. Uses techniques to keep. Education is incomplete without psychology. Just like a doctor uses medical science to treat a patient, a teacher uses educational psychology to help learners. Indian concept example. Swami Vivekanand believed in man-making education, focusing on character development and self-realization, a concept deeply connected to understanding the child's mind. Gandhiji's basic education, Nai Talim, emphasized learning by doing, which relates to child-centered and activity-based learning, an idea rooted in educational psychology. 4. Implications of psychology for education. A. In organizing content. Psychology helps decide what to teach and when to teach. Curriculum should match age, mental ability, and interest of learners. Example, a 5-year-old cannot learn algebra but can learn basic counting using toys and pictures. B. In understanding the learner. Aspect of learner. Role of psychology. Interest. Helps choose topics that engage students. Intelligence. Helps group learners by ability levels. Personality. Helps understand shy or active children. Emotional needs. Helps support students with fear, anxiety, or anger. Special needs helps design inclusive education. Example, in Indian schools, remedial teaching is used for slow learners. This idea comes from psychology. C. In understanding teacher characteristics. A good teacher needs to understand child psychology, be patient, motivating, and emotionally balanced. Apply different teaching strategies for different students. NEP 2020 emphasizes teacher training in child psychology and inclusive education. D. In improving pedagogy, teaching methods. Different students learn in different ways: visual, auditory, kinesthetic. Psychology helps select suitable methods, activities, and aids. Method. Psychology principle used. Activity-based learning. Learning by doing, John Dewey. Group work. Social learning, Vygotsky. Step-by-step learning. Spiral curriculum, Brunner. Reinforcement. Behaviorism, BF. Skinner. Indian teachers use role plays, group discussions, storytelling, and projects, all based on psychological theories. 5. Importance in Indian education system. Helps in understanding diverse learners, rural-urban, SC Cent, girls, CWSN. Supports inclusive and joyful learning as per RTE Act 2009. encourages continuous and comprehensive evaluation (CC) based on child development. In India, NCF 2005 and NEP 2020 stress that education should be child centered, flexible, and emotionally supportive, which are psychological principles. Conclusion: psychology and education go hand in hand. Psychology helps teachers understand the mind and behavior of students, which makes teaching more effective and learning more meaningful. In the Indian context, where there is so much diversity in learners, psychology is essential to ensure equity, inclusion, and holistic development. A teacher must be not only a subject expert, but also a child psychologist.